হ্যালো মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস, আশা করছি তোমরা সবাই খুব ভালো আছো এবং সুস্থ আছো। আমরা অলরেডি 2023-এর এমএসসি নার্সিং অ্যান্ড পোস্ট বেসিক নার্সিং এন্ট্রান্স এক্সামের কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার দেখে নিয়েছি। আজ আমরা 2022-এর পোস্ট বেসিক এন্ট্রান্স এক্সামের কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার দেখে নেব। তার আগে যারা এখনও পর্যন্ত চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করোনি তারা এখনই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে অল বাটন প্রেস করে নিও, কারণ আমরা এমএসসি নার্সিং, পোস্ট বেসিক নার্সিং সমেত আদার্স এন্ট্রান্স এক্সামেরও প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ারের বিভিন্ন নার্সিং অফিসার এন্ট্রান্স এক্সামের কোয়েশ্চেন পেপার সমেত অ্যান্সার সলভ করে নেব। তো চলো বন্ধুরা, দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক। আজকের ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন হলো, ভ্যাকসিনেশন ওয়াজ ইনভেন্টেড বাই অপশন এ জেনার, অপশন বি পাস্চুর, অপশন সি ওয়াটসন অ্যান্ড অপশন ডি ক্রিক। Vaccination was invented by Dr. Edward Jenner. So here option A is the right answer. Question number 2. Hypersecretion of growth hormone in adult does not cause increase in height because option A, epiphyseal plate closes after adolescence. Option B, bones lose their sensitivity to growth hormone in adult. Option C, muscle fiber does not grow in size after birth. And option D, GH মানে growth hormone becomes inactive in adult. In adolescence, epiphyseal plate are closes. So option A is the right answer. Question number 3. Name the common eye problem in preterm infant which may develop due to oxygen toxicity. Option A, corneal ulcer. Option B, ophthalmia neonatorum. Option C, juvenile cataract. And option D, macular degeneration. The common eye problem in preterm infant which may develop due to oxygen toxicity is corneal ulcer. So option A is the right answer. Question number 4. Process of making mRNA from DNA is called option A translation, option B transcription, option C transduction and option D telophage. Here the right answer is option B transcription. Question number 5. Majority of drugs cross biological membrane primarily by option A passive diffusion, option B active transport, option C osmosis and option D facilitated transport. Here the right answer is option A passive diffusion. Question number 6. An adult female may be considered as obese whose BMI according to who is option A less than 18.5, option B 18.5 to 24.9, option C 25 to 29.9 and option D more than equal to 30. Here the right answer is option D more than equal to 30. Question number 7. The nurse is aware that the following solution is routinely used to flush an IV device before and after the administration of blood to a patient is option A 0.9% sodium chloride, option B 5% dextrose water solution, option C sterile water and option D heparin sodium. Here the right answer is option A 0.9% sodium chloride. Question number 8. The most effective method of killing microorganism is option A high temperature, option B low temperature, option C high temperature and high moisture and option D low temperature and high moisture. The most effective method of killing microorganism is high temperature and high moisture. So option C is the right answer. Question number 9. Lack of relaxation between successive stimuli in sustained muscle contraction is known as option A spasm, option B kikenus, option C fatigue and option D tonus. Here the kikenus is the right answer. Question number 10. Which of the following type of insulin is the treatment of choice in diabetic ketoacidosis? Option A regular insulin, option B NPH insulin, option C ultra-lengthy insulin and option D all of these. Here all of the insulin are treatment of choice in diabetic ketoacidosis. Question number 11. Who is considered as father of sociology? Option A Mackinder, option B Ginsberg, option C Aristotle and option D August Comte. August Comte is considered as father of sociology. So option D is the right answer. Question number 12. Potassium ion increases the relaxation of the heart muscle, which is antagonized by option A calcium ion, option B zinc ion, option C sodium ion, and option D magnesium ion. Potassium ion increases the relaxation of the heart muscle, which is antagonized by calcium ion. So option A is the right answer. Question number 13. Function of sodium ion in the body are all except option A regulation of acid base balance in the body, option B regulation of the osmotic pressure of the plasma or tissue fluid, option C originating and maintaining heartbeat, and option D essential constituents of nucleoproteins. Function of sodium ion in the body are all except essential constituents of nucleoprotein. So here option D is the right answer. Question number 14. Bioavailability of the drug refers to option A ratio of oral to parenteral dose, option B ratio of drugs excreted unchanged in urine to the excreted as metabolites, option C percentage of administered dose that reaches systemic circulation in the unchanged form, and option D all of these. Here all of these are the right about the bioavailability of the drug. So option D is the right answer. Question number 15. Following are the strategies to promote effective human relation except option A individualized goal, option B common organizational goals, option C group cohesiveness, and option D sense of oneness. Option A individualized goal is the right answer. Question number 16. When a patient is already suffering from an infection acquires another infection from another patient or source, the type of infection is called option A chronic infection, option B cross infection, option C contagious infection, and option D latent infection. This is called cross infection. So option B is the right answer. Question number 17. Miss Reena Roy, a 38-year-old lady, admitted in the surgical ward and developed TKNI as a post-operative complication after thyroidectomy. The nurse anticipates that the patient will be treated with option A calcium carbonate, option B calcium sulfate, option C calcium phosphate, and option D calcium gluconate. Here the right answer is option D calcium gluconate. The following are the trace elements found in the body except option A tin, option B vanadium, option C silicon, and option D phosphorus. The following are the trace elements found in the body except vanadium. So option B is the right answer. Question number 19. Broca's area in the left hemisphere usually is related to option A receiving the impulse from eyes, option B speech, option C learning and reasoning, and option D sensation of smell. Broca's area in the left hemisphere usually is related to speech. So option B is the right answer. Question number 20. The major intracellular cation is option A sodium ion, option B potassium ion, option C calcium ion, and option D magnesium ion. The major intracellular cation is potassium ion. So option B is the right answer. Question number 21. Dose of dopamine stimulate which receptor site? Option A alpha, option B beta, option C dopaminergic, and option D both alpha and beta. Dose of dopamine stimulate with receptor site alpha and beta. So option D is right answer. Question number 22. Localized area of ischemic necrosis is most commonly associated with option A ascites, option B petechiae, option C emboli, and option D infarction. Localized area of ischemic necrosis is most commonly associated with infarction. So option D is the right answer. Question number 23. Marriage is option A important and universal social institution of society, option B helpful in strengthening the caste system, option C important basis of group formation, and option D helpful in calming down the anger of two conflicting groups. Marriage is important and universal social institution of society. So option A is the right answer. Question number 24. Drugs used as a smooth muscles relaxant are option A corticosteroid, option B NSAID, option C atropine and option D macrolides. Here the right answer is option C atropine. Question number 25. The temperature that allows for most rapid growth of any organism during a short period of time is known as option A minimum temperature, option B maximum temperature, option C optimum temperature and option D growth temperature. Here the right answer is option C optimum temperature. Question number 26. Glomerular filtration of a drug is affected by X. Option A lipid solubility, option B plasma protein binding, option C degree of ionization and option D rate of tubular secretion. Glomerular filtration of a drug is affected by its lipid solubility. So option A is the right answer. Question number 27. Following which drug is used to close PGA, pecan ductus arteriosus? Option A prostaglandin, option B indomethacin, option C endorphin and option D all of these. All of these drug is used to close PGA. Question number 28. Which of the following is social group? Option A market, option B family, option C crowd and option D people in circus tent. Family is a social group, so option B is the right answer. The instrument used for sterilizing the media after it has been prepared is option A autoclave, option B laminar airflow chamber, option C inoculum needle and option D incubator. Here the right answer is option A autoclave. Question number 30. Volume of CSF at any point of time in a normal adult is about option A 50 ml, option B 100 ml, option C 150 ml and option D 200 ml. The volume of cerebrospinal fluid at any point of time in a normal adult is about 150 ml. Question number 31. All of the following cross placenta except option A warfarin, option B heparin, option C phenydione and option D morphine. Here the right answer is option B heparin. Question number 32. In which of the following organ there is practically no digestion of carbohydrate? Option A mouth, option B stomach, option C duodenum and option D small intestine. In small intestine there is practically no digestion of carbohydrate, so option D is the right answer. Question number 33. Polygamy means option A man marries more than one woman at a given time. Option B a woman marries more than one husband at a given time. And option C women and men are collectively married and option D none of these. Here the right answer is option A man marries more than one woman at a given time. Question number 34. In megaloblastic anemia, the cells are option A macrocytic hypochromic, option B macrocytic hyperchromic, option C macrocytic normochromic and option D none of these. In megaloblastic anemia, the cells are macrocytic hypochromic, so option A is the right answer. Alcohol concentration above 70% are effective against option A bacteria, option B fungi, option C virus and option D all of these. Alcohol concentration above 70% are effective against all of these. Question number 36. Characteristics of society include all of the following except option A geographical nation, option B common habits and customs, option C maintenance of order and peace and option D self-actualization. Characteristics of society includes all of the following except self-actualization. So option D is the right answer. Question number 37. Gonadotropin activity in a normal pregnant female. Option A, high level HCG and LH stimulates the thickening of endometrium. Option B, high level HCG and LH facilitates the implantation of the embryo. Option C, high level of HCG stimulate the synthesis of estrogen and progesterone. And option D, high level HCG stimulates the thickening of endometrium. Here the right answer is option C, high level of HCG stimulate the synthesis of estrogen and progesterone. Question number 38. Female gonads are option A, vagina, option B, ovaries, option C, uterus, and option D, fallopian tube. Here the right answer is option B, ovaries. Female gonads are ovaries. Question number 39. A group of unicellular eukaryotes which obtain nourishment by ingestion or absorption are called option A, algae, option B, protozoa, option C, fungi, and option D, archaea. Fungi is the right answer. Question number 40. Proteins are polymers of option A, sugar, option B, amino acid, option C, fatty acid, and option D, nucleotides. Protein are polymers of amino acid. So option B is the right answer. Question number 41. Ramsgate operation is done for option A, hiatus hernia, option B, pylorostenosis, option C, congenital megacolon, and option D, repair of cleft lip. Ramsgate operation is done for pylorostenosis. So option B is the right answer. Question number 42. Old man appearance is seen in option A, fever, option B, marasmus, option C, jaundice, and option D, encephalopathy. Old man appearance is seen in marasmus. So option B is the right answer. Question number 43. A child is getting injection ampicillin 300 mg and the vial contains 1 gram to be dissolved in 10 ml. The amount taken to administer his other dose is option A, 2.5 ml, option B, 3 ml, option C, 3.5 ml, and option D, 3.2 ml. এখানে যদি আমরা এটা ক্যালকুলেশন করি তাহলে আমরা দেখব যে 10 ml এ আছে 1 গ্রাম। 1 গ্রাম মানে 1000 mg। তাহলে এটা আমরা খুব সহজেই বের করে নিতে পারবো যে 10 ml এ যদি 1000 mg থাকে তাহলে 3 ml এ 300 mg থাকবে। So here the option B is the right answer. Question number 44. A client with schizophrenia hears a voice telling him he is evil and must die. The nurse understands that the client is experiencing option A, delusion, option B, flight of ideas, option C, ideas of reference, and option D, auditory hallucination. Here the right answer is option D, auditory hallucination. Question number 45. An elevated ASO titer is seen in which of the following condition? Option A, nephrotic syndrome, option B, rheumatic fever, option C, gastric ulcer, and option D, ulcerative colitis. Here the right answer is option B, rheumatic fever. Question number 46. A patient unresolved feelings related to loss would be most likely observed during which phase of the therapeutic nurse-patient relationship? Option A, pre-orientation, option B, walking, option C, orientation, and option D, termination. Here the termination phase is the right answer. Question number 47. Physiologic jaundice of newborn is developed due to option A, RH incompatibility, option B, ABO incompatibility, option C, immature liver function, and option D, all of these. Here all of these are the right answer. Question number 48. Cytomegalovirus infection is an example of option A, nosocomial infection, option B, iatrogenic infection, option C, opportunistic infection, and option D, zoonotic infection. Cytomegalovirus infection is an example of nosocomial infection. Question number 49. Which one is regulate the body temperature? Option A, parathyroid gland, option B, hypothalamus, option C, pituitary gland, and option D, thyroid gland. Hypothalamus regulate the body temperature. So option B is the right answer. Question number 50. Client who experiences the false sensory perception in presence of a stimulus is known as option A hallucination, option B illusion, option C loose association, and option D neologism. Here the right answer is illusion. So option B is the right answer. Question number 51. In which stage of sleep the muscles are completely relaxed? Option A stage 1 NREM, option B stage 2 NREM, option C stage 3 NREM, and option D stage 4 NREM. Here the right answer is option D stage 4 non-rapid eye movement. So option D is the right answer. Question number 52. Mental disorder of chronic general impairment in intellectual functioning within clear consciousness is known as option A dementia, option B delirium, option C intoxication, and option D derealization. Here the right answer is option A dementia. Question number 53. Immunoglobulin abundantly present in human milk is option A IgG, option B IgM, option C IgA, and option D IgE. Here the right answer is option C IgA. Question number 54. When transferring a patient from a bed to a chair, the nurse should use which muscle to avoid back injury? Option A abdominal muscle, option B back muscle, option C leg muscle, and option D upper arm muscles. When transferring a patient from a bed to chair, the nurse should use the leg muscles. So option C is the right answer. Question number 55. Pap smear test for detection of carcinoma of cervix is which level of prevention? Pap smear test for detection of carcinoma cervix is secondary level of prevention. So option C is the right answer. Question number 56. What do you mean by the excess interstitial fluid? Option A fluid volume excess, option B edema, option C dehydration, and option D anhydration. Here the edema is the right answer. Question number 57. A female client is admitted with a diagnosis of delusion of grandeur. This diagnosis reflects a belief that one is option A being killed, option B highly famous and important, option C responsible for evil world, and option D connected to client unrelated to oneself. Here the right answer is option B highly famous and important. Question number 58. Persisting pathological unrealistic intense fear of an object or situation is known as option A perception, option B phobia, option C obsession, and option D compulsion. Here the right answer is option B phobia. Question number 59. Sickle cell crisis occurs when option A cells lack sufficient hemoglobin to transport oxygen, option B sickle cells are unable to transport adequate oxygen, option C sickle cells form clumps that obstruct blood flow, and option D the bone marrow stops producing red blood cells. Here the right answer is option C sickle cell for clumps that obstruct blood flow. Question number 60. The ABG analysis report shows pH 7.55, PCO2 35 ml of He, and HCO3 33 milliequivalent per liter. The concoction is known as option A metabolic acidosis, option B metabolic alkalosis, option C respiratory acidosis, and option D respiratory alkalosis. আমরা যদি এবিজি অ্যানালাইসিস খুলে দেখি তাহলে আমরা দেখতে পারবো যে পিসিও2 এখানে নর্মাল রেঞ্জের মধ্যে আছে, কিন্তু HCO3 নর্মালের থেকে অনেক বেশি আছে এবং পিএইচও অনেক বেশি আছে। যেহেতু HCO3 নর্মালের থেকে বেশি আছে সেজন্য এটা হবে মেটাবলিক, এবং পিএইচ যেহেতু নর্মালের থেকে বেশি আছে সেজন্য এটা হবে অ্যালকালোসিস। সো হিয়ার দ্য অপশন বি ইজ দ্য রাইট অ্যান্সার। Question number 61. The nurse must administer a medication to prevent Parkinson type symptom in a client receiving an antipsychotic. The medication the client will likely receive is option A trihexyphenidyl, option B diphenhydramine, option C propranolol, and option D haloperidol. Here the right answer is option A trihexyphenidyl. Next question number 62. Who theorized the act of utilizing the environment of the patient to assist him in his recovery? Option A. Robert Koch. Option B. Benner. Option C. Calister Roy. And option D. Florence Nightingale. Here the right answer is option D. Florence Nightingale. Question number 63. Which of the following is used to assess the level of consciousness? Option A. Apgar score. Option B. Bragen scale. Option C. Glasgow Coma scale. And option D. Visual analog scale. Here the right answer is option C. Glasgow Coma scale. Question number 64. The number of times an event has occurred in a population during a specified time period is termed as option A. Ratio. Option B. Denominator. Option C. Proportion. And option D. Numerator. Here the right answer is option D. Numerator. Question number 65. Which of the following condition may require fluid restriction? Option A. Fever. Option B. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Option C. Renal failure. And option D. Dehydration. Here the right answer is option C. Renal failure. Question number 66. The goals of treatment for diabetic ketoacidosis are option A. To correct fluid and electrolyte disturbance. Option B. To provide adequate insulin to restore and maintain normal glucose metabolism. Option C. To correct acidosis. And option D. All of these. Here the right answer is option D. All of these. Question number 67. Smoky color urine, hyperlipidemia, proteinuria are characterized by in option A. Chronic renal failure. Option B. Nephrotic syndrome. Option C. Nephritis. And option D. All of these. Here option B. Nephrotic syndrome is the right answer. Question number 68. Anatomical closure of ductus arteriosus may occur. Option A. Immediate after birth. Option B. Between 1 to 3 months. Option C. Between 1 to 3 weeks. And option D. After 1 week. Here right answer is option C. Between 1 to 3 weeks. Question number 69. Zero incidence is option A. Elimination of disease. Option B. Eradication of disease. Option C. Elimination of infection. And option D. Eradication of infection. Zero incidence is elimination of disease. So option A is the right answer. Question number 70. Positive sign of schizophrenia are option A. Hallucination, delusion, thought disorder. Option B. Hallucination, delusion, unconsciousness. Option C. Hallucination, delusion, overeating. And option D. Hallucination, delusion and reality oriented. Here the right answer is hallucination, delusion and thought disorder. Question number 71. Morbid fear of open place or leaving the familiar setting home is known as option A. Agoraphobia. Option B. Ailurophobia. Option C. Xenophobia. And option D. Zoophobia. Here the right answer is option A. Agoraphobia. Question number 72. The client has an order for 2 tablespoons of milk of magnesia. The nurse converting this to the metric system, how much she should have to give the client? Option A. 2 ml. Option B. 5 ml. Option C. 15 ml. And option D. 30 ml. 1 tablespoon is equal to 15 ml. So 2 tablespoons is equal to 30 ml. So option D is the right answer. Question number 73. Following signs and symptoms should be carefully assessed for diagnosis of preterm labor. Option A. At least 1 uterine contraction in 10 minutes lasting for 30 minutes and progressive dilatation of cervix. Option B. At least 2 uterine contraction in 10 minutes lasting for 20 minutes and progressive dilatation of cervix. Option C. At least 3 uterine contraction in 10 minutes lasting for 10 minutes and without cervical dilatation. And option D. At least 4 uterine contraction in 10 minutes lasting for 30 minutes. Here option A is the right answer. At least 1 uterine contraction in 10 minutes lasting for 30 minutes and progressive dilatation of cervix. Question number 74. Disease elimination is helped by option A. herd immunity, option B. isolation, option C. quarantine and option D. none of these. Disease elimination is helped by herd immunity. So option A is the right answer. Question number 75. Frequent regurgitation in infants occur due to option A. Relaxed cardiac sphincter, option B. Relaxed pyloric sphincter, option C. Relaxed anal sphincter, and option D. Relaxation of glottis. Here the right answer is option B. Relaxed pyloric sphincter. Question number 76. The ELISA case is used option A. Screen blood donors for antibodies to human immunodeficiency virus HIV. Option B. Cast blood to be used for transfusion for HIV antibodies. Option C. Aging diagnosis a patient with AIDS. And option D. All of these. Here the right answer is option D. All of these. Question number 77. The progression steps in transformation of normal cells to malignant cell is concerned with following except option A. Irreversible changes occur to DNA, option B. Altered appearance and biochemical activity, option C. Growth pattern of cells remain unaltered, and option D. Tumors develop internal blood vessels. Here option C. Growth pattern of cells remain unaltered. This is the right answer. Question number 78. What sign and symptoms do you expect in complete abortion? Option A. Expulsion of fleshy mass per vagina with increased vaginal bleeding. Option B. Expulsion of fleshy mass per vagina with decreased vaginal bleeding. Option C. Expulsion of fleshy mass per vagina with decreased vaginal bleeding and decreased abdominal pain. And option D. Expulsion of no fleshy mass per vagina with increased vaginal bleeding. In complete abortion, expulsion of fleshy mass per vagina with increased vaginal bleeding. So option A is the right answer. Question number 79. Which element in the circular chain of infection can be eliminated by preserving skin integrity? Option A. Host, option B. reservoir, option C. mode of transmission, and option D. portal of entry. Here option D is the right answer, portal of entry. Question number 80. Oral thrush is caused by option A. gonococci, option B. E. coli, option C. Candida albicans, and option D. staphylococcus. Oral thrush is caused by Candida albicans. So option C is the right answer. Question number 81. Koplik spot are characteristic features of option A. rubella, option B. typhoid, option C. rubeola, and option D. mumps. Koplik spot are characteristic features of measles, and here the option C. rubeola is the another name of measles. So option C is the right answer. Question number 82. Total fertility rate refers to option A. number of women between 15 to 44 years of age, option B. number of birth per thousand women, option C. approximate complete family size, and option D. number of female children per woman. Here the option B. number of birth per thousand women is the right answer. Question number 83. Bulging fontanelle is one of the important signs of option A. dehydration, option B. increased intracranial pressure, option C. increased intracellular pressure, and option D. fluid overload. Bulging fontanelle is one of the important signs of increased intracranial pressure. So option B is the right answer. Question number 84. Cord compression may occur in postpartum delivery due to option A. diminished leukoramine, option B. diminished Wharton's jelly, option C. diminished placenta function, and option D. diminished fetal urine. Cord compression may occur in postpartum delivery due to diminished leukoramine. So option A is the right answer. Question number 85. System which are activated in response to inflammation. Option A. GI system, I. respiratory system. Option B. integumentary system, muscular system, ENT. Option C. kinin system, clotting system, sympathetic nervous system. And option D. skeletal system, GI system, and respiratory system. System which are activated in response to inflammation is option C. kinin system, clotting system, and sympathetic nervous system. Question number 86. When patients are first informed that they are HIV positive, their emotional response include Option A, anger at the person who may have given them the virus. Option B, guilt over their own role in exposing themselves to the virus. Option C, despair over the prognosis, sometimes triggering suicidal acts. And option D, all of these. Here all of the options are the right. So option D is the right answer. Question number 87. Which of the following case is most sensitive for the detection of iron depletion in pregnancy? Option A, serum iron. Option B, serum ferritin. Option C, serum transferrin. And option D, serum iron binding capacity. Here option B, serum ferritin is the right answer. Question number 88. The Meg-Geltwig injection site is seldom used for IM injection because it, option A, can accommodate only 1 ml or less of medication. Option B, bruises too easily. Option C, can be used only when the patient is lying down. And option D, does not regulate parenteral medication. Here option A is the right answer, can accommodate only 1 ml or less of medication. Question number 89. Which health personnel links between ANM and Anganwadi worker? Option A, LHV. Option B, PHN. Option C, ASHA. And option D, social worker. ASHA worker links between ANM and Anganwadi worker. So option C is the right answer. Question number 90. When teaching pregnant women about nutrition, the nurse would urge her to ingest foods containing which vitamin to prevent the risk of neural tube defects? Option A, folic acid. Option B, vitamin A. Option C, vitamin C. And option D, vitamin K. Here the right answer is option A, folic acid. Question number 91. Google sign is characterized by option A, bluish discoloration of the vagina. Option B, pulsation of vagina. Option C, softening of cervix. And option D, firm cervix. Google sign is characterized by softening of cervix. So option C is the right answer. Question number 92. Mental disorder in which the thought's effective response, ability to recognize reality, communicate and relate to others are sufficiently impaired to known as option A, neurosis, option B, psychosis, option C, regression and option D, repression. Option B, psychosis is the right answer. Question number 93. International classification of disease gain is arranged as option A, congenital malformation, option B, neoplasm, option C, certain infection and parasitic disease, and option D, external causes of morbidity and mortality. Here option D, external causes of morbidity and mortality is the right answer. Question number 94. Nursing care of a patient undergoing transesophageal echocardiography include option A, obtaining of signed informed consent, option B, patient encouraged coughing, option C, removal of denture or oral prosthesis, and option D, all of these. Here all of these are the right answer. Question number 95. Unconscious defense mechanism in which unacceptable behavior, motives or feelings are logically justified is known as option A, rationalization, option B, reaction formation, option C, regression and option D, repression. Here rationalization is the right answer. Question number 96. Sensitivity of uterine musculature during labor is occurred due to option A, increased progesterone level, option B, increased estrogen level, option C, decreased estrogen level, and option D, increased estrogen and decreased progesterone level. Here the option D, increased estrogen and decreased progesterone level is the right answer. Ram is admitted in psychiatric unit with a diagnosis of bipolar disorder, single manic episode. Which of the following behavior would the nurse expect to assess? Option A, apathy, poor insight and poverty of ideas. Option B, anxiety, somatic complaints and insomnia. Option C, elation, hyperactivity and impaired judgment. And option D, social isolation, delusional thinking and clang association. Option B, anxiety, somatic complaint and C, insomnia is the right answer. Question number 98. Nurse is aware that language development in autistic child resembles option A, scanning speech, option B, speech lag, option C, stuttering and option D, echolalia. Option D, echolalia is the right answer. Question number 99. Total number of primary tooth is option A 20 in number, option B 32 in number, option C 24 in number, and option D 20 to 30 in number. Here option A 20 in number is the right answer. The last question, question number 100. The basic cause of distributive shock is option A an antigen-antibody reaction, option B dilatation of blood vessels, option C failure of the heart as a pump, and option D blood or fluid loss. Here the option B dilatation of blood vessels is the right answer. তো বন্ধুরা, এই ছিল আমাদের আজকের ভিডিও। নেক্সট ভিডিওতে আমরা 2022-এর এমএসসি নার্সিং এন্ট্রান্স পেপার সলভ করব। ভিডিও কি ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলো না। অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।